In an RV kitchen, every inch matters. This stovetop cover adds extra space, making cooking a breeze. Here's what you'll receive in the package. Let's take it out and have a closer look. Inside, you've got the cover, 4 rubber feet with screws, and a setup guide. First, flip the cover and place the grates upside down for easy setup. Now, let's find the perfect spots to position the rubber feet. This ensures your cover stays secure and silent during your RV travels. Take your time here. Proper placement is key for a snug fit. Next, screw the rubber feet into the pre-drilled slots on the silicone strips at each marked point. Tighten each of the 4 rubber feet one by one, making sure they're nice and secure. Place your burner grates back in position, then flip the stove cover right side up. Now place the cover onto the grates. You'll see that the rubber feet fit perfectly, keeping everything steady. Give it a push. It's rock solid, no wobbling at all, so you know it's going to stay put. Cover on, more counter space, no more worrying about chopping or your coffee maker. If you're interested, check out the link in the description and give it a try.